Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're diving straight inside the human knee joint to uncover a real biological mystery. Why does joint pain become chronic? We're looking way past the surface level symptoms to explore an actual microscopic battleground happening inside your body right now. Because let me tell you, that battleground feels completely real when you're just trying to get out of bed without your knees sounding like a bowl of Rice Krispies.
So the real question we got to ask is, why does your cartilage refuse to heal? You hit a certain age, maybe 50 like me, and you start thinking, all right, my tires are just wearing out. But it turns out your body ain't forgetting how to fix itself. Not at all. The research tells a completely different, way more fascinating story. Your body hasn't forgotten how to heal. It's actually being actively prevented from doing so.
It really comes down to this biological truth. Inflammation isn't just swelling. It's an active cellular blockade paralyzing your body's ability to regenerate cartilage. See, inflammation isn't just that puffy stuff you see on the outside of your knee. Deep inside your body, it is an active cellular blockade. Think of it like a biological hostage situation. The inflammation is literally paralyzing your body's natural repair mechanisms. The tools are there, ready to work, but they're trapped.
Section 1. Inside the inflamed joint.
To really wrap our heads around this, we need to transition straight into your bloodstream, zooming deep into the inflamed cartilage of a stiff joint. We're talking about chronic joint inflammation, which is a localized biological blockade. It is not just your standard wear and tear. Think of it like a building where the fire alarm is blaring nonstop. The workers, yourselves, they can't do their routine maintenance and repair jobs because they're stuck in a continuous state of emergency. This chemical alarm system just refuses to shut off. So how does this alarm actually work? Well, it's all about inflammatory cytokines, which create a state of cartilage paralysis. These microscopic cytokines, they act exactly like radio signal jammers. Your body is desperately trying to send the signal to rebuild and repair the cartilage, but these cytokines actively block the transmission. Biological jammers, that is wild, right? It's a complete communication breakdown at the cellular level. My knee wants to heal, but the text messages aren't going through.
Section 2. Unlocking dormant cellular repair.
If your cells are trapped in this blockade, we need a very specific biological key to break them out. And this brings us to Thymoquinone, or TQ for short. TQ is the highly active primary phytochemical compound found inside Nigella sativa, commonly known as black seeds, and it's responsible for cellular modulation. Now wait, hold up. You might be thinking, you're telling me one little seed does all this biological heavy lifting for my knees? Absolutely. That's exactly what breaks the blockade. And the answer lies in how TQ specifically interfaces with your cells. But before we look at how TQ works, we gotta understand the state your body is in right now. It's called dormant cellular repair. This is a biological state where your body's natural regeneration processes are simply paused. Think of your joint like a massive, highly sophisticated biological factory that has been temporarily shut down by that continuous fire alarm. So the machinery isn't broken, man, it's just dormant. It's sitting in the dark, waiting for the exact right chemical signal to power back online. Let's walk through the exact biological sequence of how TQ breaks the blockade. First, the TQ molecule physically penetrates the joint capsule. Once it gets inside, it actively neutralizes those inflammatory cytokines. It literally unplugs the signal jammers. Boom! Suddenly, those blaring chemical alarms go completely silent. And with the interference gone, it reestablishes normal cellular communication. The repair orders finally get through, which organically ignites the cartilage regeneration process. The factory lights come back on. Now we're in business. Section 3. The NIH Joint Health Data. Now, the number 35, this is the crucial age when this inflammatory blockade typically begins for both men and women. Man, I remember hitting my late 30s and wondering why recovering from a simple pickup game took a whole week, or why that stiffness in my knee was becoming my daily wake-up call. Well, this is the exact age when your body's cellular communication starts getting jammed up by those cytokines. It's real talk. The clinical proof from NIH and PubMed studies on Nigella sativa is just undeniable. When the Thymoquinone mechanism is introduced, you see standard baseline pro-inflammatory markers just plummet. And with prolonged TQ use, those inflammation markers drop straight to the floor. That drop is crazy. It is a stunning biological reality of those cellular fire alarms being permanently shut off. You don't just feel better. The hard science actually shows the inflammation disappearing.
Section 4. Why extraction methods matter.
All right, here is where we need to introduce a heavy dose of reality. You can't just grab any standard bottle off a store shelf and expect this microscopic repair to happen. You have standard extraction versus cold-pressed extraction. Standard extraction methods rely on high heat, and heat is the absolute enemy here. It literally degrades and destroys the delicate TQ molecule before it even enters your body. If the TQ is destroyed, you have no key to unlock the joint. That's why cold-pressed extraction is non-negotiable. Cold press uses low heat. It preserves the maximum cellular biology of the thymoquinone, making sure it actually survives the journey right into your bloodstream. If it ain't cold pressed, you're just wasting your time and your money. The biological standard is incredibly strict. You need seeds that yield the highest baseline of TQ, which naturally grow in the specific climate of Ethiopia. And this is exactly why you gotta look at what Black Seed Lab is doing. They hit every single benchmark. Black Seed Lab uses that authentic Ethiopian cold-pressed extraction. They give you a verified high percentage of TQ and absolutely zero fillers or additives getting in the way of the biology. That is the gold standard right there if you want to actually break the blockade in your knees. Section 5, the Daily TQ Protocol. So, bringing this science into the real world, here is the protocol. You need to allow for a 30-day cellular reset period. Remember, you are rebooting a complex biological factory that's been shut down for years. It takes about 30 days for the cellular communication to fully reestablish so you actually feel the physical relief in your joints. So here's the real talk on how you actually do it. Step 1, consistent daily dosage. You can't just take this once, feel good for an hour, and expect a miracle. You gotta stay consistent. Step 2, take it first thing in the morning. Establish that systemic inflammation control right as you get up and start moving for the day. Give your body that 30 days and let the science work. As we wrap up this explainer, I want you to consider this provocative scientific question. If your cells have the power to heal themselves, if that cartilage regeneration factory is just sitting there in the dark waiting for a key like TQ, what else is dormant inside your body waiting to be unlocked? Man, your biology holds an incredible amount of untapped potential. If this breakdown made sense to you and you want to keep discovering what is really happening inside your body, make sure you subscribe and join us for our next deep dive. Stay healthy and keep moving.